A few years back, when I was doing my post graduation with mass communication, I had to submit a project. At that time, I was also working for a media organization. Handling both work and a course was a little tedious task, not to brag, but I was able to handle both the work and the course quite efficiently. But one day, we had to submit the final project for the mass communication course, and there was a deadline. But around that time, I had a pretty huge workload. For me, it was impossible to submit the project for my course on time. Eventually, what happened was I failed to submit my project on the set date. I knew that I wouldn't be able to submit before the deadline. The night before the final day of submission of the project, I told the universe, I am leaving everything up to you, universe. You know my situation very well. I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow, but I know you will help me out for sure. Saying that affirmation and believing that completely, I went to sleep. Next day, I went to college, and as I approached the administration office, I saw a notice board. I saw a notice on the notice board. They had extended the date for submission. I jumped with joy and thanked the universe for listening to my request. They had extended the date by another week. I was able to submit the project within that week. What exactly do I do that the universe answers my every request? I just talk to the universe like my best friend. I give out my request before going to sleep, and with complete faith, I know inside very well that whatever request I am making, it is going to be fulfilled. Rather, it is already fulfilled. Trusting the universe that everything is going to work out for you helps in manifesting in a faster way. So, I have been working as a freelancer with multiple organizations, multiple media houses, but one day I wanted to do a permanent, regular job, not a freelance one, but a regular job. I had been looking for regular jobs, but I was not getting the one that I desired, the one that would fit me, that would fit my salary expectations. Eventually, after a few months of looking for a job, I gave up looking for it. I already had good number of freelance jobs which were giving me pretty good salary. And I told the universe, I am leaving everything up to you. If you believe that I must get a regular job or there is a better regular job, then you are going to reveal that to me. After a few days, my dad gets a phone call from one of his colleagues. The colleague knew about my profession, my field of expertise. He informed my dad about a vacant job position in Mumbai in a publishing house. The salary, the perks, and everything were pretty amazing. I applied for the job. Eventually, I even got selected for the position. This is how universe answers all my requests because I leave everything to the universe whenever I am stuck, whenever I don't know how to proceed further, and seek help from the universe, and the universe always without fail lends me the best possible help through various different circumstances, through various different people. The universe helps me out, and the universe will also help you out if you are trusting the universe, if you believe that the help that you require, the answers that you need, the things that you desire, if you want to get those things, if you want the universe to help you, you need to believe the universe. You need to have complete, unwavering faith in the universe or God, whatever you believe in. Once you do that, once you trust that the request that you have entrusted the universe with has already started getting manifested, that is when you are bound to get those things. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye bye.